Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 71. Omoni. Omoni. Again, our word for today is omoni. This is pronounced as a 3-syllable word. First syllable is o, second syllable is mo, and third syllable is ni. Pronounce it with me. Omoni. Omoni. Again, our word for today is omoni. This is a Korean noun which means mother. Again, omoni means mother. Now, how do we write omoni in Hangul? The word omoni is composed of 3 syllables, and let's go through each of the syllables. For the first syllable o, we need to draw first a no sound iyang followed by an o character. Next, for the second syllable mo, we need to draw first a myeom character followed by an o character. And then for the last syllable ni, we need to draw first a nian character followed by an e character. Again, this is composed of 3 syllables. It's o, mo, ni. And in order to write omoni in Hangul, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these 3 syllables. So that's how you write omoni in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned omoni. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 61 to 70. But don't forget our word for today, word number 71, omoni, which means mother. The first word for our review is Ahjussi, which means father. Next word is Najonge, which means later. Next word is kotta. This is a verb which means to walk. Next word is Araso, which means alright, I understand, in an informal manner. Next word is alta. This is a verb which means to know or understand. Next word is Gwaenchana. This is a formal way of saying it's okay. Next word is Gwaenchana. This is an informal way of saying it's okay. Next word is utta. This is another verb which means to smile or laugh. Next word is mashita. This is a verb which means to drink. And the last word for our review is word number 61, mokta. This is a verb which means to eat. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.